Court is in session in cause number 33216. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Ashley Grant. And we have Mr. Grant, we have Ms. Grant appearing via Zoom. Ms. Grant, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Grant, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
I swear, yeah.
Okay, Ms. Grant, you may put your hand down. Ms. Grant, I have before me a document that is titled Information. And this information, Ms. Grant, hold on a minute. This information alleges that on or about February 25th of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespassing. Ms. Grant, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Grant, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, sir.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I'm guilty, sir.
Okay, Ms. Grant, I have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor. Hold on a minute. I have a document before me, Ms. Grant, that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments. On this document, Ms. Grant, there are a set of initials on a line on page 2, and the initials are on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Ms. Grant, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
On page 3 of this same document, Ms. Grant, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. Grant, did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir, I did, Your Honor. Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And Ms. Grant, I have another document before me. This document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. There's a signature at the bottom of this document above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. Grant, did you also sign this document?
I did, Your Honor.
There are 2 boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And Ms. Grant, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Ms. Grant, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Cole, go over these documents with you? Did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
And did you read and understand everything that he went over?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And is everything that he went over true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It's true, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Grant, are you a citizen of the United States?
I am, Your Honor. I am.
State, I have before
I
me
am.
state exhibit. Okay, I'm talking to the state now. State, I have before me state's exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer state's exhibit number 1?
Yes, Your Honor. Offer state C1.
Any objections, Mr. Cole?
No objections, sir.
No objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Ms. Grant. Is there any evidence that she is mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Grant, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, I am, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
Ms. Grant, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we do. It's
And
15
what is-
days jail.
Okay, Ms. Grant, the state is offering that you serve 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for any time that you are entitled to get by law. Now, the court cost in your case, Ms. Grant, is $332. Ms. Grant, will you be able to pay the $332?
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Grant, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
It is, Your Honor.
And do you accept the state's offer?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Grant, I will follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Grant, this will conclude your case. You can knock on the door, follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day, Ms. Grant.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is it, Your Honor.
I have Cameron Dickinson. Cameron Dickinson, have two cases.
Oh,
Thank
that's
you.
right. That's
Doctor.
right.
Yeah, just hold on a minute.
Cruz.
Okay,
Looks like
Hold-
we got 3 cases on the docket, and looks like the defense attorney has completed 2 of the pleas. I don't know if you have